Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to the Bit by Bit Coding Club online. This is lesson 5 of our first project, Web Dev and Design. So, still in the header, you're going to want to go in and write our title. And we're doing animal info. Or, just to be more specific, we can change that to pets info. Because this is focusing on pets, not just like regular animals like monkeys or tigers. This is me pets where we have dogs, cats, and bunnies in this one. So within the body, we're going to do a header, close it out, enter in between, H1 fun facts about pets. And you'll see it appear on the side. That's all we have in our header. And then we have our first section. Well, first we're going to comment it. I'm going to say this is dog section. Class is animal. ID is dogs. Close the section. Line 14 is where you should be. I'm going to say H2 dogs. Paragraph. And if you want, you can follow along with the information I'm putting in, but if you are a big dog fan and you have something else you'd rather say, go ahead and add what you'd like to say too. So close the ULs, go in between, and list items. And you see we have just a blank element over there. That's because I forgot a slash here. So you can just fix that and see we have our 3 fun facts here. And so that's all of our fun facts for dogs. And that's the end of our section for dogs as well. And now this is very repetitive. So we're just doing the cat section and the bunny section very similarly to how we had this section. So I'm not going to walk you through this one as much since this is already on lesson 5. You can go ahead and try and replicate it on your own. Just set up the elements and fill it in with the information if you want, or you can just watch as I do it and then edit it to how you'd like to do it. And that concludes our cat section. And now we'll be moving on to our second to last thing we're going to do with the HTML, and that's our bunny section. So very similar to the first, we do our comment, and then we set up the section. Close the section. And then we go ahead and fill in our fun facts and our information. And now the last thing we're going to do is our footer. Go in between, and all we're going to do is, just like in some of the previous ones we've done, ampersand, copy, semicolon, 2024 pet info. And that's just going to give us a little footer right there with information on copyright. And now we can go ahead and move to the CSS. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and take off these defaults. We're going to set them ourselves. So start with the body. Font family, Arial and serif. Line height is going to be 1.6. And you can already see it's starting to change up. It's starting to be more readable. It's starting to look a little better. That's not what we want. We want background color. And we're going to use hashtag F4F4F4 for a nice gray color there. And the color of our text is going to be 333. Done with body, so we're going to move to header. Background is going to be 333. And you might be like, that's the same color as the text. But we can change that because we were just going to change the color to FFF, make it white, padding 1 and 0. Text align is center. We're going to change that to say background color so we're consistent, because if you notice, background color gives you that, and just background, yeah, background color matches up with that. We want to keep our code consistent because we might be like, which one are we using? And we want it just to make sense and be readable. So going on to H1, just making it a margin of 0. Oh, that should say 0. And now our animal class. So classes start with a period. So period animal, background, color, FFF again. Seeing it looks a little better there. Separating our sections, making them more readable, interesting. We're giving them a border. 1 pixel, solid, and DDD. So you see our border there. Border radius is going to be 8 pixels, giving it a curved edge. And the padding is going to be 1 em. And the margin bottom is going to be, once again, 1 em, making it look a little better, consistent. Then that's a lot better to look at than how it looked before. You actually want to be on the site. So moving on to H2, just changing the color to hashtag 333. Oop, it's one too many. Background colors, 233. Just the color, so FFF. The text align is center. The padding is 1 em 0. The bottom is 0. And the width will be 100%. You see, if you look down, there's the footer matches the header, which is good. And that's everything for this site. This one's a little simpler, so if you want to add this, though it was a little simple, a shorter video, this gives you lots of creative freedom. Go ahead, add in images if you want, add in other animals you use, other facts, and comment below what you added in and what videos you'd like to see next, what websites you'd like to see us make next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time at the Bit by Bit Coding Club online.